There are a lot of digital microscopes available on the market in the present day. The very best digital microscopes are those who have consideration, curiosity, want, and motion ideas. There are numerous items accessible to USB microscopes, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best USB microscopes from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Wireless Digital Microscope Handheld USB. Optional software for iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS X. This microscope can support Android 6.0 plus, iOS 9.0 or later, Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, 11 or later, Mac OS X 11 or later. 2 million pixels, 1080p HD picture quality for smartphone, 720p for computer, 50x more magnification can meet your daily needs. Built-in 8 dimmable LEDs provide enough illuminance. When fully charged about 3 hours, it can last for about 3 hours. It makes for a very useful and fun tool to always have with you in the outdoors. You can enjoy the portable mini pocket microscope on your nature hikes. This electronic microscope is more of a fixed-focus magnifying glass, not a traditional microscope, not suitable for professional serious biologists. This is definitely a very interesting thing for parents, adults, teachers, students, children, collectors, testers, electronics repair folks, and inquisitive folks who are interested in exploring skin, hair, scalp trichomes in the microscopic world. More than a microscope, it is a camera. It can not only zoom in, but also take photos and record videos. The ability to take video and still photos is amazing. It's really useful when documenting plant phases throughout their life cycle. Number 2. Pluggable USB Digital Microscope. Great for kids, hobbyists, and professionals. The pluggable 250x USB 2.0 digital microscope, USB 2 Micro 250x, allows you to work quickly and effectively at the microscopic level. Common uses include exploration, stamp or coin analysis, micro-soldering, garden parasite identification, and much more. This adaptable tool can be used either with the included stand for lower magnifications, handheld for quick point and click inspection, or placed directly on subjects for the highest magnifications. The rugged plastic body makes it ideal for many scenarios, including industrial applications. The microscope includes built-in LEDs that can be dialed through a range of brightness levels to properly illuminate your subject. Unlike many other USB microscopes, these LEDs shine through a diffuser to combat glare. Works on all Chrome OS devices with a built-in camera application. Many newer Android devices support the microscope using an OTG cable and a separate viewing application. Select Android devices may not work, and it's up to the device manufacturer to support external cameras. We suggest to check with the manufacturer of your Android device for official information. Number 3. Fusion 40 to 1000x Magnification Endoscope. Fusion Portable Magnification is a useful and funny microscope for students, engineers, inventors, and others who need to magnify and explore the micro things. Be compatible with Mac, Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, 11, Linux and Chrome OS. This microscope isn't compatible with iPhone, iPad. This magnification only support Android smartphone, which is OTG function. How to check OTG? Download the free app USB OTG Checker. Built-in 8 LED lights, digital microscope's 2 adjusting knob, can change the focus and brightness. Connected to the devices, you can use the software to record the micro world, capture screenshot and record video. Besides, you can use the Windows software's measurement function to measure the least bit. Number 4. Bisemi USB Microscope. 1000x USB magnifier, comes with 8 LED light. The illumination of inspection area can be adjusted by the brightness wheel. Capture screenshot and record video of the micro world. This brings clear and stable image when using. Powered by USB, this digital microscope is widely used in collections, coin inspection, educational purpose, skin examination, hair examination, plant dissection examination, textile inspection, jewelry inspection, printing inspection, PCB or PCBA inspection, and so on. Easily operate with the software provided for free. You can even use it as a measurement tool, only for Windows. One key, taking pictures and zoom the objective. Compatible with most of device. Be compatible with Mac OS X 10.5, Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Linux kernels 2.6.26 and above, Android phones with OTG function. How to check OTG? Download the free app USB OTG Checker. This microscope doesn't work with iOS iPhone. Number 5. LCD Digital Microscope Anlov. Anlov Microscopio Digital provides 50x 1000x magnifications. Magnification corresponds to monitor size, allowing you to view the smallest details of specimens clearly, such as plants, coins, diamonds, soldering, etc. It's great gift idea for kids. This electronic microscope utilizes a built-in 4.3-inch screen which allows you to view directly, very convenient for outside use. Images and videos obtained during your observations are saved to a microcard. Note the micro South Dakota card, not included, maximum support up to 32 GB. Adjusting the object close to the lens, then you can view the specimens on the 4.3-inch screen clearly by rotating the focus wheel slowly. This USB microscope camera also supports connecting to PC via USB cable, and view object on bigger PC display. Note: please be aware that this microscope does not support macOS. This new digital USB microscope will use adjustable aluminum alloy bracket instead of old version plastic bracket, make you view the object more steadily and accurately. Analog microscopes with built-in 8 adjustable LED lights can adjust the brightness from dark to bright by sliding the switch, which ensure you can view the tiny detail clear and bright in various environments.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.